The company Banner is the leading supplier of starter batteries and automotive applications. We find ourselves in the heart of Banner's operations. The business relationship between Jungheinrich and Banner dates back quite some time. Over 100 Jungheinrich forklift trucks are currently in operation. We were one of the first clients to implement an automated guided vehicle system. An update from AGV to AGV 2.0 is currently being planned. The narrow driveways and radii in the production process pose a particular challenge for planning, as well as the interaction between AGVs and manual forklifts. Both raw materials as well as ready-made products are being handled in this area. Therefore, there's a lot going on between automated and manual tasks. Over the past 10 years, the 3 AGVs have each completed over 50,000 operating hours. This shows the high quality of Jungheinrich machines. Currently, we find ourselves in the process of transitioning between the old AGV and AGV 2.0. By the end of the year, we expect the first AGV 2.0 to be operating. These will provide the raw materials for our battery assembly. The new system that will be put into operation by the end of the year enables us to reduce the number of manual forklifts. This reduces manual transport tasks and thus improves safety in the warehouse. 3 vehicles of type EKS 215A will be completely integrated into logistics by spring 2021. These cantilever machines will ensure much needed flexibility, also with regard to future automation plans. The old vehicles were in operation over 10 years and completed over 50,000 working hours each, a well-deserved retirement. Because of the fast-paced nature of today's industry, this new system is essential to increase efficiency and push for more automation. The new vehicles take care of internal transport tasks and cover longer distances. This allows us to produce more batteries while crew size stays the same. Without automation, a more effective production would simply not be possible. In March 2021, when the new AGV System 2.0 will have been implemented, we hope you'll visit us again. Maybe we can already talk about further automation and implementation of the AGVs at Banner.